So welcome back to the second part of this video where we have done a vulnerability test on my local machine, and as you can see the first thing that comes out is a scan summary whereby we see the vulnerability level, and we can see that my machine is very susceptible to attack. So, and then there are top 5 issues as highlighted here. Then we can see the results, statistics, that all the vulnerabilities, we have 8 of them which are critical. Potential vulnerabilities, there are 4 of them, and we have 14 open ports whereby attackers can find way through my machine. And then the total time for this scan was 1 hour 8 minutes. And the beauty of LanGuard is it gives you some remediation on how to mitigate the vulnerabilities of your machine. So we can just go to remediate. We go to the remediation center, and it tells us this is about software updates. So here it's telling us anything to do with software updates for applications in my machine. As you can see here, it's talking about Microsoft Office, Excel, project, publisher. At the bottom there is Skype. There is Skype for business. So this is about deploying software updates. So you can see that there are more remediation suggestions, and you can select any of them to get more details of your scan. Usually you would want to concentrate on the red ones, like the one which says deploy software updates. So we are just going to go to the dashboard and see what the dashboard has. So here the dashboard is telling us the basic vulnerabilities that my machine has. For example, it's saying the high security vulnerabilities, there are 2 of them. Low security are 6. Potential vulnerabilities are 4. And missing security updates are 28. Remember, for the remediation, the software suggested some updates for some applications. So here we can see that high security vulnerability auto run is enabled, and this is the description. Microsoft Windows supports automatic execution of CD and DVDs. This poses a security risk in the case where a CD or removable disk containing malware that automatically installs itself once a disk is inserted. So if you have a flash drive or a CD or DVD, usually when you plug it in, your computer automatically reads the flash drive or the CD or DVD. So here it's saying that this is a point of entrance for malware, and the software is recommending that I disable auto run for these ports on my machine. So we could go to activity monitor. Activity monitor is showing me the different activities that have been running on my machine using this software. So basically, this is very handy for ethical hackers when you are doing a remote tasking. You could run scans on different machines and then come back later to see what the report says. So if you can select on any of them and you click on view scan results details, and it will show you the scan details of the particular activity that you have chosen. So it's asking me if I would like to load the scan that I have selected. So I clicked yes. So we can also go to the reports section. Okay, here it's still loading. So we can go to the report section of the activity, and it is showing us the general reports, vulnerability status, of the USB devices, different types, the NIC SIP compliance report, the SIPA compliance report, the SOX. So as you navigate on each and every one of them, the software gives you a detailed update of each and every vulnerability. So it's I clicked on the computer security overview, and this is what I got, which is very interesting. So as an ethical hacker, you need to be very explorative, because this software, it is very rich in its reports, and as you are doing your ethical hacking to protect your organization, this is a very vital tool. So you can navigate on the different panes to get the different reports. So with that, I hope you find this video very educative and very informative, so that when you are doing your vulnerability test, you exploit the tool to its maximum. Thank you so much.